Hey art friends, today we're going to draw a really cute Mom and Baby Capybara. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. For this lesson we're using our markers and marker paper to draw with, but you can use whatever you have. Now in this lesson I am showing you how to draw with these markers a different way than what we usually do. We're going to use our brown colored markers to draw the main shapes, and then we're going to use our black marker to add the details after. But you can also do this with colored pencils or even crayons. And also remember, if I ever go too fast, you can pause the video. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices: iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first start with our medium brown marker. And we're going to draw the main shapes of our mom capybara and also the baby. So we're just going to draw the mom and then the baby's inside. So first, let's start with the shape for the head. And we're going to draw this oval shape, and it's towards the top but in the middle of our paper. So the nose is coming off to the left. Then we can also draw two ears. And then we're going to draw the body. And we're going to draw it kind of big. We're going to draw it coming around like this, under, and then back up on the other side. Okay, now on the inside, we're going to draw the head for our baby. And we're going to start by drawing an upside down letter U. Then we're going to draw the paws for the mom, coming in, around, and back out. And let's do the same thing over here. Around, back out. And then for the rest of the baby's body, we're going to draw it coming down, touching the bottom, and then coming back up. And then we can also add ears for our little baby. Okay, now let's color in all of these shapes. And this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video, and you can take time to color your drawings also. Now that we have that colored in solid, we're going to switch to our darker brown, and we're going to add some of the details. First, let's draw the snout for our mom. We can draw an oval shape right here, and then let's color in that shape. And then we can also color in the ears. I'm going to color in the left and also the right. Now let's color in the mom's paws. We're going to draw kind of a backwards C, and then we can connect a line across and then color that in. Let's do the same thing on this side. Draw the letter C and then connect it. Kind of looks like gumdrop shapes. And then for the ears on the baby, let's color those in. Now the nice thing about using our markers is you can still see those first shapes that we drew at the beginning. Okay, also let's draw the snout for our baby. We can draw an oval in the middle and then color that in. Okay, next let's draw the paws for our baby's hands. I'm going to draw backwards letter C, colored in, or it kind of looks like the letter D and then also backwards letter D. Okay, now for the feet. Let's draw the mom's foot on the left side and also on the right. So we'll draw letter U's, and then we can draw little toes too if you want, or you can just connect it at the top. We'll draw 3 bumps and then color those paws in. Now let's repeat that same shape except for the baby feet. We'll draw them a little smaller. It's kind of hard to draw all of the toes since the marker's really big. There we go. Now that we have all of the main shapes colored in solid, we're going to switch to our black marker to add the details, the lines for our mom and baby capybara. Let's start by drawing our baby's little face. I'm going to draw 2 nostrils in the nose, and then we can draw the letter J in the middle, and then another curve on the right for the other side of the mouth. And then we can draw the eyes. I'm going to draw them really happy upside down letter U's. Next, let's draw the mom's paw or arm coming in and hugging our baby. So I'm going to draw a curve coming around, and then we can add 3 little fingers and then curve back out. And then let's repeat that same line or detail on the right side. Okay, next let's finish the outside or the outline for our baby. We can draw the head first. We'll draw the upside down letter U. Then we can draw the ears. And I'm also going to add a little line inside the ears. Okay, now for the paws, for the baby paws, we're going to draw it curving around and then back. And then I'm going to add 2 little finger lines. And then we can do the same on the right side. And little fingers. Okay, next let's draw the feet. I'm going to draw the outside and then little toes. And the same for the other side. Okay, then now let's draw the outside of our baby's body, curving around through the middle and then around the outside. Okay, now let's draw the mom's feet. I'm going to draw the letter U coming around, touching the baby's side, and then we can add little toes for the top, and then the same for this side. Yeah, all right. Now let's come up here and we'll draw the head for our mom. I'm going to start with the ear, and we can draw the upside down letter U, and we can also draw the inside line. Then we're going to draw the forehead coming around, and then underneath for the chin. And then on this side, I'm going to curve around, come in like this, but then we'll come back out and then come down to the body. And then we can come over here and draw the body on the left side too. Oh, and then we can also connect underneath. Okay, now let's draw the nose. And I'm going to draw 2 little sideways ovals. Then for the mouth, we'll draw letter J and then a curve going the other way for the smile. And then we can also draw an upside down letter U for the eye and maybe some eyelashes. Oh, and then also let's draw the other ear. And we did it, except that we're going to fast forward one more time. I'm going to add a few more things. I added more hearts, also pink cheeks, a little shadow at the bottom to make it more 3D, and also some plants. But you could finish your drawing by adding even more things or an entire background. And I always hope you remember it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. I'm sure they still turned out awesome. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And I really hope that you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.